You're welcome back. A lot of issues have been discussed on how to fast-track the development in the capital markets, which the equities market is a part of. A meeting of capital market solicitors was held recently on how to improve the level of market performance. Let's listen to the CEO of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Mr. Oscar Onyema.
The Nigerian Stock Exchange has made great strides in its transformation journey, which has brought about major reviews of our governance, market structure and operations, a stronger regulatory environment, and implementation of innovations required for delivering a robust and efficient capital market. Corporate governance. When we started the journey to transform the exchange in 2011, we started with corporate governance. We embedded appropriate governance in all of our dealings, from the National Council, which is the highest decision-making body of the exchange, to its committees, and all the way down to the day-to-day running of the exchange. We developed, documented, optimized, and automated multiple policies and procedures to achieve operational efficiency. Today, we hold ourselves to the same standards we ask of our listed companies. Market structure and operations. To boost liquidity and depth in the marketplace, the NSE began implementing changes to its market structure in 2012 by introducing market making in equities and fixed income, expanding the limit up, limit down threshold from 5% to 10% for stocks, and launching securities lending and short selling. To ensure better market quality, the NSE introduced opening and closing rotations with pre-open and pre-close adjust sessions, providing a window for market makers to supplement liquidity during the opening and closing auctions. Currently, the market has also been enabled to support direct market access, which will open the Nigerian capital market to global investors, as they will have more control over the final execution of their orders, as well as the ability to exploit liquidity and price opportunities more quickly. Stronger regulatory environment. Operating a fair and orderly market is at the heart of our regulation, and developing a sustainable investor protection framework has been a key pillar of our transformation journey. A strong regulatory environment is essential to protecting investors against infractions and enhancing investor confidence in the market. To this end, the exchange has ensured that it has clear and enforceable rules with a zero-tolerance policy on all infractions. We have worked tirelessly to revise key rules for dealing members and issuers, and developed several new rules to create the much-needed order, equitable treatment, efficiency, and protection for all participants in our market. We congratulate the Securities and Exchange Commission for approving these rules. To ensure that this is successfully achieved, we have introduced a number of transparency and compliance measures, which include X-Issuer, a secure platform that allows issuers to electronically submit financial and other relevant information to the market and the exchange in a seamless fashion. It was introduced to facilitate information disclosure, transparency, and accountability in the marketplace. X-Whistle. This became operational this year and empowers participants to confidentially report any fraud or possible violations of the rules and regulations of the exchange and those of the Securities and Exchange Commission. X-Compliance Report. This is a transparency initiative designed to help maintain market integrity by providing compliance-related updates on all listed companies. Broker Tracks. This is a tool we introduced in 2012 to provide transparency into broker and brokerage firm compliance with the rules of the market. Market Quality Report, SQL. This was introduced in 2012, and I believe we're the first exchange in Africa to do this. This is a tool which offers brokers and analytical investors insight into how to derive best execution of orders in the market and the quality of execution that can be expected from the exchange. Our compliance measures are supported by tight enforcement procedures, which include inspections, market surveillance, and a vigorous penalty system. In any event, as a safeguard for the investor, the Nigerian Stock Exchange has reinvigorated its Investor Protection Fund, which will provide investors a statutorily backed solution for reducing losses they might suffer as a result of the bankruptcy, insolvency, negligence, or wrongdoing of a dealing member of the exchange. Beyond that, both the exchange and the wider financial community recognize that sound financial education is a prerequisite for harnessing investors' potential to save, invest, and build wealth while managing risk. Thus, the exchange does not only run a financial literacy program to educate investors, it is a member of the Financial Literacy Steering Committee, which is chaired by the Central Bank of Nigeria, and whose mandate is to develop and implement the financial literacy framework for Nigeria. In an effort to raise the overall level of competitiveness, the exchange has recently developed a corporate governance rating system for listed companies in partnership with the Convention on Business Integrity. The rating system raises the bar for listed companies in terms of acknowledging those that fare well on compliance with the rules of the exchange, fiduciary awareness, and their ability to manage business risk. By remaining on the forefront of promoting good business practices, we can further increase our contributions towards the sustainable development of our listed companies and invariably the economy. That is why we have joined the Sustainable Stock Exchange Initiative of the United Nations. Corporate social responsibility. We value the critical role we play in supporting economic growth by ensuring the nation has an efficient and sustainable capital market. However, this responsibility extends to how we operate our business in the micro environment. Consequently, we are devoted to operating a sustainable organization through responsible financial and investment services, sustainable business practices, engaged and talented people, community contributions, and environmental stewardship in line with global best practice. Through our community investment approach, we are changing lives and impacting communities with a current commitment to appropriate approximately 2% of our annual profits in support of benevolent investments. The NSC actively seeks to improve the affairs of the communities in which we operate. And you might know that we operate in 14 states across the nation. In the marketplace, the NSC achieves its commitment by raising environmental, social, and governance awareness and standards amongst listed companies, as well as offering information, products and services for sustainable investment. Internally, we foster a qualitative work environment by implementing employment practices that facilitate diversity and equality, opportunity for training and development, healthy and safe work atmosphere, fair remuneration, and meaningful communication within the organization. Our environmental efforts are in partnership with the Lagos State Waste Management Authority, LOMA, to ensure safe and reliable waste disposal, new innovations. In support of our stronger regulatory environment and business practices, the exchange recently launched a new age trading platform, XGen, that is based on the leading NASDAQ OMS Extreme matching engine. The XGen is a dynamic platform that has enabled numerous opportunities and capabilities. It is able to process some 100 million plus orders per day with 5,000 trades per second. I'm not sure people appreciate how fast 5,000 trades per second is. So if you blink your eye, you would have missed 2,000 trades. So that's how fast it is. And has a highly flexible and configurable market structure that can be enhanced to support the auctioning process and trading of several asset classes, including a wide range of fixed income securities, equities, exchange-traded funds, commodities, and derivatives. The platform has the capacity to allow investors have real-time access to the market, as well as their portfolios via the web and mobile phones, including smartphones and tablets. This gives them the ability to execute market orders in near real-time conditions from anywhere in the world. All of the initiatives we have delivered in the course of our transformation are aimed at developing a more transparent, liquid, and accessible market with a modern market structure to support the delivery of a wide range of investment products. By engaging all of our stakeholders, which includes our investors, listed companies, market operators, the regulator, and prospective issuers who had lost faith in the capital market, they are all now returning to the market, and we're beginning to witness a sense of optimism from all market stakeholders. To illustrate this point, the average daily value traded was approximately up 4.74% in 2012 at $17.5 million per day. And in 2013, it was up about 58% to $26 million a day. Year-to-date 2014, we are tracking at $27.6 million a day. This highlights the fact that people are starting to see the value of investing in Nigeria and confirms that we are moving in the right direction.
And before we go, let's bring you some tidbits. Get to know your potential partner and learn about his or her personal and professional values, ideas, and goals. If you haven't worked together previously, test the partnership out by tackling a small project together that showcases each other's skills and requires cooperation. This is also a way to learn about each other's personality and core values. Consult a lawyer and an accountant to draw up a written partnership agreement. People with strong personal connections may feel certain that the supposedly unbreakable bond will help them overcome any obstacles along the way. And that will be all on the program. We will be glad to hear from you. Please send us your comments and questions to businessincorporated@channelstv.com. You can also join me on Twitter. Thank you for watching. I am Bolaji Akinwale.